Hi everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons, we've been looking at the different uses of the verb ser in Spanish. It is one of the verbs in Spanish that means to be. It's a very important verb. I know memorization gets a bad rap in language learning, but it's absolutely necessary to memorize. Native speakers memorize through practice, so you can do the same. Let's take a look at the different uses of ser, the things that we've learned so far. Remember that we use ser to identify people and things. We use ser and de to talk about origin, where someone is from. We use ser and de to express possession, meaning ownership. We use ser to express someone's occupation. We use ser and an adjective to describe someone. And in this lesson, we are going to use ser and an adjective to express nationality. If you haven't seen these previous videos, you can find them on my channel homepage. So let's go ahead and take a look at using ser and an adjective to express nationality. It's very simple. All you have to do is use an adjective of nationality. For example, Italian is italiano or italiana. If I want to say he is Italian, él es italiano. She is Italian, ella es italiana. He is Mexican, él es mexicano. She is Mexican, ella es mexicana. One important thing to note is that adjectives of nationality are not capitalized in Spanish. They are in English, but not in Spanish. It's a different language and it has its own rules. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.